Hi, how are you?
Hello, I am fine. How are you?
I am good today.
That is nice to hear. What is your name?
My name is Sarah. What is your name?
My name is Alex. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. Where are you from?
I am from Bangladesh.
That is a nice place.
Yes, it is very beautiful.
Yeah. Where do you live?
I live with my family.
What do you do?
I am a student.
Do you study every day?
Yes, I study every day.
Do you like English?
Yes, I like English.
Is English easy for you?
Sometimes it is easy.
Do you practice daily?
Yes, I try every day.
That is very good. Yeah.
Thank you.
What do you do in the morning?
I wake up early.
Then what do you do? I brush my teeth. Do you eat breakfast?
Yes, every day.
What do you eat? I eat bread and eggs.
I eat bread and eggs.
Do you drink tea?
Yes, I like tea.
I like tea too.
That is nice.
What do you do in the afternoon?
I study and rest.
Do you help your family?
Yes, sometimes.
That is very kind.